Welcome to our channel. Today we're discussing the business models and potential uses for the domain name supertools.us, a domain that unlocks endless opportunities for businesses, startups, and tech innovators looking to expand their digital footprint in the US market. In today's fast-moving world, every business, whether it's a startup or a well-established company, needs the right tools to succeed. From powerful AI-driven tools and software solutions to essential physical equipment, the demand for high-quality, innovative tools is greater than ever. Businesses are constantly seeking advanced technologies that boost efficiency and give them a competitive edge. That's where supertools.us comes in. This versatile domain name is the perfect foundation for a variety of businesses, particularly in the tech and digital space. Whether you're looking to build a platform offering software tools, create an e-commerce store for both digital and physical tools, or become an affiliate hub for top-tier products, supertools.us has you covered. Now let's take a closer look at the key industries that can truly benefit from supertools.us. First up, tech startups. Startups are always on the lookout for powerful digital tools that streamline operations. With supertools.us, they could create a platform offering productivity apps, AI-driven tools, or even SaaS solutions that help other businesses thrive. It's a natural fit for any tech-focused company. Next, e-commerce entrepreneurs. Imagine launching an online store that sells high-quality physical and digital tools to a targeted audience. Whether it's DIY enthusiasts or professional contractors, supertools.us can serve as the perfect platform to reach customers actively searching for tools. Third, affiliate marketers. The booming tool and software industry presents a massive opportunity. By leveraging supertools.us, you can create a comparison or review site that drives affiliate revenue by promoting top-tier tools and apps. And don't forget business consultants. These professionals often build platforms packed with digital tools, templates, and resources that small businesses and freelancers can rely on. Supertools.us could become the ultimate hub for offering such tools and advice. The supertools.us domain is easy to remember, highly searchable, and perfect for attracting both organic and paid traffic. Whether your focus is on selling products, offering services, or providing resources, this domain will help you stand out and drive targeted traffic. With rising demand for high-searched keywords and lead-generating platforms, supertools.us gives you the opportunity to dominate your niche. Startups and industry players that have invested in similar domains have seen boosts in SEO, lead generation, and overall visibility. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to secure a highly brandable and versatile domain. Supertools.us can be the perfect foundation for launching your next big idea. To find the perfect domain for your new startup or venture, visit our website at domainer.gdn. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates and content.